Hi Owls, I'm Daryl with the latest edition of FAU Today. Show off your skills in a one-on-one Just Dance tournament held by the FAU Student Union Esports Arena Wednesday, July 14th at 3 p.m. Players of all skill levels are welcome. A prize will be awarded to the first place winner. In-person sign-ins begin at 2 p.m. or you can pre-register in the link. On Wednesday, July 21st in our Davie Student Union Oasis Lounge, join in for Upward Bound Day of Service inside our Davie campus greenhouse. You'll be able to earn service hours while giving back to our community. Details in the link. Saturday, July 24th from 8 a.m. to 12:30 p.m., join the Harbor Branch Student Association for the 14th Annual Treasure Coast Waterway Cleanup at the Riverside South Boat Ramp. RSVP in the post. And while you're out and about and enjoying your summer break, make sure to tag us in your FAU gear for a chance to be featured as our FAU Pick of the Week.